Hello everyone, I'm Abhinav Agarwal and I'm an undergraduate student at Stanford University, majoring in computer science and economics. I studied at Malvia Convent School from 4th grade all the way up to 12th grade. And at the time while I was preparing for college admissions, the school helped me cross a lot of logistical barriers. So I'm really grateful to Principal Ma'am, Director Sir, Vice Principal Ma'am, Puna Ma'am, and all the faculties for helping me on this journey to get here. Uh, I was also a JE kid since ninth grade, but when I learned about American colleges in 11th grade, I shifted my focus from JE to study abroad. And I'm telling you this to demonstrate that there are more options available to you than the ones that are directly visible. So you shouldn't limit yourself, and this is a time that you should definitely like explore all your options. In fact, I wrote a book last year on my high school experience, and I shared tons of advice on how I studied, college applications, how to take care of mental health while you are doing all this, and how to make the most out of your high school experience in general. Uh, and so the US college admissions process is divided into four aspects: your school grades, standardized exams, extracurricular activities, and your college application itself, which involves essays, letter of recommendations, and all that. So for extracurricular activities, you can pretty much do anything outside, like whatever you do outside of your studies it counts as extracurricular activity. It could be uh, playing an instrument, music, programming, or maybe you are good at certain sport, or it could also be like you could also participate in intra or inter-school events and competitions. So it's pretty much anything you do outside of studies. And for standardized tests, you need to take SAT, TOEFL, and advanced placement tests. Earlier, you had to take SAT subject test as well, but it got discontinued recently. But the main caveat here is that you have to do all this without losing focus of your school studies, because colleges look for those students who can do it all without compromising their studies and all that. You can understand this with the help of this analogy. Like, think of your studies and academics as the cake, and all these other things like standardized tests, extracurricular activities.
Hello everyone. First of all, I would like to say namaste to all my teachers. Next, I would like to extend my gratitude to Director Sir and Principal Ma'am for providing me this wonderful opportunity to interact with you people. Uh, Starting from my introduction, I am Saloni Gupta, an ex-MCS site, and I joined MCS in class 9th, and I completed my schooling till 12th from Malvia Convent School only. Uh, Actually, I scored 95 percentage in 12th examinations. I also got All India rank 19th in my CA Foundation November 2019 attempt, and I successfully cleared Group 1 of CA Intermediate, and currently I am awaiting for the results for Group 2 of CA Intermediate, and also looking out for some articleship firms. Talking about Malvia Convent School forms an integral part of my life and my career, and it is quite close to my heart because Malvia Convent School not just helped me to grow in academics but also helped me to grow in some extracurricular activities. Talking about the teachers, the teaching staff is quite supportive towards you and also provides you the guidance to get best out of yourself and to explore your potential to all, and it will also help you to raise your bars to explore all the horizons of all the career opportunities available. uh, the school will also provide you various opportunities to grow yourself in terms of communication skills, leadership skills, etc. That skills will really help you to face that practical world a lot. Today, in this stage, I can really mention these skills are really helping me to like face this world and to interact with people with full confidence. Malve Convent School helped me to clear my concept really well. So just because of them, I am able to get an All India rank in CA Foundation. So I would like to in last mention about that. Don't wait for a perfect time to pursue your dreams. It just depends on you to take control of your life and start pursuing your dreams from the very first moment. So that was all from my side. Signing off. Bye bye.
Sir, regards to all the teachers present here, Vice Principal Ma'am, Principal Ma'am, Director Sir. Let me start by introducing myself. I completed my schooling in the year 2020, that is the last year itself, from Malva Convent School. Currently, I am in second year doing BTech from IIT Delhi. So I joined Malva Convent School in 11th class. After acing in 10th board, I was like, yes, 12th board would not be that much tough. So I kept taking classes and gradually realized that it is not a cakewalk. So I used to talk to Poonam ma'am that I am facing problem in this subject and in that topic. So she made arrangements for the same. Not only academics, but I could also discuss non-academic stuffs with her. Principal ma'am used to call me and ask if everything was going fine, how was my preparation for the long-term board exam. In short, I had a family at a school. They did not let me get off my path. And of course, I had a lot of fun at school. I anchored at the farewell in class 11th. It was a nice experience. The teachers were always there to help me, to guide me. I remember that a day before my English board exam, I went to school to ask doubts, clear my doubts from Vice Principal ma'am, and she was very nice and she cleared all of them. From the starting, I was very weak in chemistry, so but Poonam ma'am had her own way of teaching. She had her own tricks that she shared with us, so this made learning interesting. If circumstances would have been normal, then I would have been speaking in a real classroom in front of you all, and that would have been a great interaction. To summarize, I would say that it had been very nice years of my schooling. The school helped me develop my overall personality a lot. I would end up saying that keep your motivation high, do as the teachers say, work hard, have fun, relax, and see how your result goes up. Thank you.
Hello everyone, myself Shreel Agrawal, first year MBBS student, currently studying in SPMC. I secured 2657 rank in NEET. First of all, I am and will always be grateful to my teachers who gave me the strength I needed to take the next steps towards my dream, enrolling in a prosperous medical college. Just like our parents, teachers are also important in life day. Teachers in doing everything. They also find out the talent of the students. The students can then focus on the expertise that they have and pursue them in the long run. My teachers gave me moral support and encouraged me a lot. Their hardworking knowledge and cooperating attitude helped me to a great extent. They helped me to complete various tasks. Revising every day what was taught in class and later on asking doubts the consecutive day made my concepts crystal clear, and I was able to memorize them for a long span. Talking about school as an institution is pretty much commendable. The extracurricular activities allowed me to refresh my soul, which was overloaded by stress and fear. So I am highly grateful to my school and their support. Thank you.
A warm welcome to the new batch from the entire family of Malva Convent School. Myself Jahanvi, I am currently pursuing my BTech from IIT Delhi. In my view, one's career is influenced by two main people: your company, your friends, and the teachers. I can assure you about the teachers of Malva Convent. But choose your friends wisely. Also, I would like to add that initially we all are pumped up, but later our excitement decays exponentially. I hope that doesn't happen in your case. But for that, you have to ensure to make a timetable and follow it to the T. This is the only mantra to be successful. You don't need any exceptional brain. Consistency, perseverance is the key. One more important thing is that listen to your teachers. They always wish for your betterment, and do share your problems with them. They will help you sort things out. I would personally like to thank Poonam ma'am and Principal ma'am for being those teachers in my case. I wish you a very nice semester ahead.